What's up, everyone? Just wanted to touch base. I appreciate all the views. I know I've been super not consistent with posting. I'm trying to do better about that with you guys and really help out. If you don't know who I am, I've been trading momentum setups for 10 years now. I've been studying this concept of momentum trades, right? I think many NASDAQ traders, and from what I see, they don't use any indicators, and they basically use just price movement, volume, and they look for one setup. And typically it's like a V, right? They wait for a drop, look for a reversal candle, and then try and play it to like a double top or something. Super common strategy. It's not what I prefer because I'm always looking for what's going to get me the most bang for my buck, right? So I'm looking for momentum in trend. So if you have been following my posts, you'll see where I'm showing that shorts are getting trapped, longs are getting trapped. Where's the actual confirmation? And then once it's confirmed, how can you ride this out in multiple segments? But everything that I've learned about momentum trading is that it happens in waves. So you basically need a wave of you need a confirmation wave, consolidation, next wave, consolidation, next wave. And you typically get 2 or 3 waves. The first wave is typically going to be choppy into that new move. It's usually like a big spike and then a slow grind in the direction that it's changing to. Then you get a consolidation phase, and then it just rips out of nowhere. And you're like, oh, how could anybody catch that? Well, if you're in trend and in the momentum wave, you can catch those moves. And so basically there's been no setups yet for me to be able to show you guys how that looks or what that looks like. So just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, how I do it. I have a multi-indicator setup. Even though on the chart you're seeing like arrows and some small things, it's actually a much larger picture. I use very large moving averages to dictate trend, which is why I have bigger gaps in my trading, because my confirmations take longer because the moving averages are bigger. I hope that makes sense. Like if you're using a 20 or a 50 or a 200, they'll flip multiple times in a day usually. I use even bigger than that, and I'll explain all that in other videos. But just stay tuned and keep following along. I appreciate all of you, and I hope I can be helpful to you guys. That's what my goal is.